In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create curved retro text in Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, so you can follow along and get a great result, even if you're new to Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button at the top. Click it and choose a canvas size that fits where your design will live. For example, a square canvas works nicely for social posts, while a widescreen layout is great for thumbnails or banners. If you already know the exact dimensions you need, type them in as a custom size. Picking the right canvas size at the start helps your text curve look balanced without needing to rework it later. Next, go to the text option on the side panel and add a heading. Type the words you want to curve. Short, punchy phrases usually create a stronger, cleaner arc, but you can curve longer lines too. If your text wraps onto multiple lines, you'll get multiple curves. For a single smooth wave, keep it on one line. Don't worry about styling yet. Just get the wording right. Now it's time to give your text a retro personality. Select your text and choose a font with that bold, nostalgic feel. Great options include Fredoka 1, Luckiest Guy, Boogaloo, Bangers, or Chunk 5. Each brings a slightly different vibe. Some are chunky and playful, others more comic or vintage poster inspired. Use the search bar if you don't see them immediately. Pick the one that best matches your design's tone while staying readable at the size you're using. With your text still selected, click Effects above the editor. This opens a panel of text treatments. Choose Curve. Instantly, your text will arch into a smooth shape. This is the base of the wavy look. Finally, adjust the curve slider to dial in the exact wave you want. Sliding to the right creates a positive arc, curving upward. Sliding to the left creates a negative arc, curving downward. Subtle adjustments often look more polished, while stronger curves can feel playful and bold. Take a moment to find a balance where the curve enhances the font without distorting the letters too much. If the result feels cramped or stretched, nudge the slider slightly until it looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You opened Canva, logged in, created a design with the right canvas size, added your text, picked a retro font, applied the curve effect, and fine-tuned the slider to make it wavy. Try a few variations to see what fits your project best, and you'll have standout curved retro text ready to use.